What's going on YouTube? It's your boy D.Ford here, coming back to you guys with another YouTube video. Today is going to be a little bit different. As you guys can see, my attire is totally different. I just got off of work. I'm meeting up with a good friend of mine, the Wheel Doctor, and we're going to take a deeper look in what he does, especially for my guys that have wheels that got curb rashes or scrapes. I think we might have a solution for you guys, so check the video out, all right? Alright, so I had my Ferrata wheels, actually the first wheels I had on the Charger, and if you guys remember from my OG subscribers, the wife had scraped those wheels in McDonald's. I will never forget that day because she came home. It was a quick McDonald's trip. She came back upstairs, she had the food, and she didn't say anything until after we had ate, and then I went downstairs and I saw two of my wheels. More than half was scraped, and I was in a panic because those wheels were brand spanking new. This happened on Sunday. I put the wheels on Friday, and so I was immediately in contact with Ferrata Wheels, about to purchase some new wheels. The great thing about having a car community backing, I was able to find someone here in Montgomery that was able to take a look at the wheels and get them fixed. And I was very skeptical at first. I didn't think he was going to be able to do anything, but shout out to my boy Rob, the Hellcat Killer, for introducing us. And so yeah, we're going to find out more about him, how he got into the business, and it looks like we got a wheel here that we're going to go ahead and fix. So let me go ahead and get everything transferred here. And perfect. All right, so who are you? What's the company? How'd you get started?
All right, so I'm Todd Pearson, the Wheel Doctor here in Montgomery, Alabama. I've been doing this for about 19 years now. Started back when really before anybody knew about wheel repair, and there were just a few companies out there nationwide. Now there's tons of companies everywhere. If you don't know about it now, you're living in a closet. Basically how I got into it, I kind of just fell into it a long time ago. You know, I've been into cars forever, kind of through, you know, of course I scratch wheels myself. Try to stay away from it now. Right. But, you know, my wife does it still, and I get on to her all the time about it. And so, kind of got into it, worked for a few different people, and then went out to California, started with the originators of the wheel repair place, doing wheel repair. And from there, I learned a bunch of tricks of the trade, upped my skills, and then after oh so long, I kind of moved back home. Basically when the economy crashed, it was hard to live out in California. So I come home, I said I was going to work for somebody else, and it didn't work out. I was on a month vacation, started Wheel Doctor 9 years ago, and here I am.
The rest is history. That's what's up.
Now I moved up to a big trailer, portable, just a big mobile shop. I can do scratches, bends, color changes, everything but welding on site. And that's basically where we are now.
Yes.
So.
and there's been, I think there's a few different occasions where I think I've contacted you on short notice, very short notice, and no matter what, he's always able to squeeze me in. He's always able to get me in. Actually, right before Mopar, I was actually supposed to drive up to Dallas. He was able to get my wheels painted the right way, the way I wanted. We've talked about some other plans for these wheels here, but it looks like we got a wheel here that needs some attention. just like that, she's back to already looking better than brand new. This video, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am actually heading home, finally getting out the suit. Again, shouts out to the Rim Doctor, the Wheel Doctor, my boy Todd, for allowing me to come into your realm and kind of see what you do. And I got some good things coming to the channel. After we shot that video, I was able to talk to some people about bringing some nice things to the channel. So we'll possibly see some exotic cars come to this channel. But stay tuned for that. New year, new me. Again, I hope you guys enjoy the New Year's. Please be safe. Make sure you think of your veterans, or not your veterans, but think of your veterans too. But think of all your service members that are forward deployed away from their family. Be safe, and just like that, we out.